Alright guys, so welcome back to the Smith Family Ranch. We are going to do some planting. Jaden wanted to have his own little bed, but he's going to put his strawberries in there. So let's get to it, guys. Alright, so there's 5, I think actually 6 plants in here, and we're going to plant the rest where I planted my dad's strawberries last year, but because I planted them in the summer, it was too hot, they didn't come back. Muscle man.
I put it in mine.
It might jump
Any of them
will fit in your thing. Just think about root depth too, because it can't go far.
What are you talking about? That goes far.
It's like a seasoning.
Muskmelon.
Muskmelon, that's what I'm planting.
I don't know what to do.
Okay, so there's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Simple. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to plant our sweet corn. We're going to fill this thing right up. Hopefully it works out. Is that really what you do?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, plant it in rows. How many? 5? No, plant them close together. How many seeds are in there?
Oh, geez.
Oh, geez. What?
You see all those ants?
Why? Oh, can't plant this one yet. Just dump a little bit in there.
A little bit.
that too much?
It's okay. Last year I had heard a lot of great things about borage, so this year I'm gonna try and plant it. We'll see how it goes. I'm only gonna plant 2 because I don't know what it tastes like and I don't want to use up too much of my garden for it, so we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you posted.